I must say that my association with the Harbour View Football Club has been a very good journey.
Like a thief in the night, the news about Harbour View finding their new head coach went undetected. Jason Buju Henry is the new man in charge, and I'm here to share some information on the new boss. Welcome back to Jump Hill Fan, and one of the last remaining head coaching jobs has now been filled at last. The RGR Sports Department broke the news with this short article where they stated former Reggae Girlz fitness trainer Jason Henry will be the man calling the shots as head coach of the 5-time Jamaica Premier League champions Harbour View FC. The Stars of the East have been on the hunt for a new head coach after long-standing coach Ludlow Bernard stepped away from the sidelines to take care of administrative work at the club. Okay, wow, I did felt that the longer Harbour View search for a new head coach dragged on, they were more likely to promote from within. But I must say, this feels like a major gamble. But before I go any further on that point, let's give you all a little backstory on Jason Henry. Henry is a proud graduate of GC Foster College of Physical Education and Sport. During his tenure at the college, he successfully completed between 2011 to 2016 a diploma in sports massage therapy and a bachelor's in physical education. Henry's love and dedication for his alma mater, GC Foster College, have allowed him to be a serving member in the capacity of coach and lecturer at the institution. Henry was also a part of the coaching staff for prominent high schools such as Jamaica College and Kingston College. In his capacity as a coach, he helped both schools to the Money Cup finals. For 5 consecutive years, the team he coached at Kingston College won 6 titles, namely 2 Manning Cups and 2 Champions Cup, 1 Walker Cup and 1 Oliver Shield. Henry was also the fitness and conditioning coach for the Reggae Girlz, and he was integral in their historic qualification to the FIFA Women's World Cup in France in 2019. And of course, he has been part of the coaching staff at Harbour View as a fitness trainer for many years now. I should also mention that the same RGR article also mentioned that Henry had obtained a CONCACAF B license. Unfortunately, we must also mention that back in 2023, Henry was fired from his post as the fitness trainer for the Reggae Girlz by the Jamaica Football Federation, allegedly for his role in a bust-up between members of the Harbour View FC and the security force at the Jamaica Premier League game against Very United at the Wembley Centre of Excellence in Clarendon. I completely forgot about this incident. We saw literal shots being fired, but credit to the Harbour View management, they stood by their employee despite the JFF turning their backs. But for a team to barely avoid relegation last season to now hand the reins over to a complete rookie is a massive vote of confidence. However, I will say that Harbour View have some of the most seasoned vets in the football game running the club, so I'll give them the benefit of the doubt. And I should also mention that it's not out of the realm of what they're used to their Harbour View of promoting from within. Of course, famously, Lolo Menard himself was from the lower ranks of Harbour View management before he got the head job, as well as famously one of their most famous sons, Peter Cargill, got his first big break in management really through the pipelines at Harbour View to become the top coach there as well. So maybe this is another top coach in the making, but I must admit, when you look at the squad Bernard had last season, they're going to need a lot of reinforcement in this summer to at least give him some basket with his hole to carry some water. But again, we will see, and hopefully it works out for the young man. But that's all I got here from Jump Hill Fun. Again, Jason Buju Henry is the new head coach at Harbour View, which leaves the vacancy over at Dumbo Holding as the last remaining one. And if you're wondering how that happened, this video right here will be the best for you. Otherwise, keep it locked right here at Jump Hill Fun. Once again, YouTube, big up yourself.